Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got a couple new things here. First, you'll notice I have my car on my quick jack I picked up a few months ago. These things come in handy, and today I'm actually going to be removing my coilovers. And I picked up a set of Ohlins with Swift springs. And I decided to do this because although my Feals were good for the track, they were not really great daily driving coilover. They're a bit too stiff, so these things should ride nice and also be pretty good on track. So I just took the car for a quick test drive, and the Ohlins dampers felt really good. The ride is really refined, and it soaked up the bumps, kind of like how the Type R does. That's one thing that this car has kind of taught me, is that the car does not need to have an overly stiff suspension to handle well. And that Feal suspension was really good on track, but it made the car not as fun to drive on the streets because it was so uncomfortable, and any little bump you would feel. But I'm really happy with these so far. I still have to adjust the dampening and see what these things can really do. But as far as a daily standpoint, these are great coilovers. So tomorrow I'm going to be taking my S2000 to do something that I've wanted to do for the past 5 years. And that is get some professional paint correction and ceramic coating. So I just wanted to show some of the swirl marks that it has now. And then I will show the end result after I get this done tomorrow. Yeah, you could definitely see the paint's good for 20 years, but it still has a lot of swirl marks. From a couple feet away it looks really good, but I always wanted to get these swirl marks removed. It's gonna have some stuff that, there's permanent damage. It's 20-year-old hood here. There's a lot of little rock chips and scratches, but still, it should be a lot better. So it might not show up in the video, but the car looks significantly better now. The paint's 20 years old, so it does not look perfect. There's still the rock chips, but a lot of the swirl marks are gone, and it has more of a mirror-like finish now.